I built a fully automated AI news agency. But here's the twist. The person running this news agency is not me. It's my AI twin. My AI twin does everything. It researches the latest AI news, fact-checks it, writes articles, posts them on my website, then turns those articles into videos and shares them on all my social media channels: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. In this video, I'll show you what it is, why I built it, how it works, the technology behind it, and how you can think about using automation in your own projects. Before we dive in, quick context. This is my second project of the year on codingmoney.com. I document my experiments and projects around coding, AI, and building income streams online on codingmoney.com. My goal is to build 6 fully automated or semi-automated projects by the end of 2025, and this AI news agency is number 2. I share these projects to inspire you to use AI to build your own automated businesses and free up your time. So what exactly is AIinnews.com? It's a fully automated AI news agency that searches the web 24/7 for the latest and hottest breakthroughs in AI. It doesn't just repost headlines, it also digs into how new AI technologies can be turned into business opportunities and new AI income streams. Plus, it has a super cool feature that turns those long articles into short-form video content. These quick videos get shared everywhere so that you can stay up to date without reading long blog posts. Why I built it? Here's the truth. Keeping up with AI news is exhausting because there are so many things happening and things are moving so fast. I run a YouTube channel focused on AI, and I always wanted to be the first to cover breaking stories. But by the time I researched a topic, wrote a script, recorded, edited, and finally posted, it wasn't a breaking news anymore. It was stressful, time-consuming, and I missed so many opportunities. So I asked myself, what if I automated the entire process? That's how the idea of AIinnews.com was born. Let me show you a quick overview of how this works. First, my AI twin scans the internet for the latest AI news. It fact-checks the stories and publishes them directly to my website, AIinnews.com. Then it writes a short video summary optimized for social media. Finally, it automatically posts the video to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It all happens without me lifting a finger. All right, let me show you the website. Here's the website, AIinnews.com. You can see all the fresh, constantly updated articles here. And here's a short, snappy video my AI twin created and posted automatically. Banks thriving with AI aren't always the ones with the biggest budgets. Recent insights reveal success comes from swiftly executing and operationalizing AI solutions. Those adept at rapid implementation are leading the way. Explore how strategic agility trumps sheer financial power in tech-enabled banking. So what's powering all of this? The website runs on a decoupled architecture. I'm using WordPress as a headless content management system and NextJS to create static website using the contents from WordPress. The automations is handled by N8N, an amazing open source tool. The AI workflow handles searching for the news, fact-checking, posting to the site, summarizing, and even posting to YouTube and social media. I just gave you a quick sneak peek of the N8N workflow. But don't worry, in my next video, I'll do a full deep dive into exactly how this automation works so you can build your own version if you want. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. For the rest of 2025, I'm focusing on more AI-powered content projects. This whole system can be adapted to many different topics, not just AI news. Imagine automating entire content businesses and other niches. I have at least 5 more projects planned this year, and each one pushes the boundaries of automation and AI even further. So stay tuned if you want to see what's possible when you combine coding with AI and a little bit of crazy curiosity. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this project and what you would automate. If you found this inspiring or helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.